After going through a lot of examples on PEMDAS, today we're here with something new to challenge your mind. Who knows the answer to this? Don't rush. Take a good look. Check the options. A lot of people look at this and say, this is easy. The answer is just square root 10. Why? Because they think square root 5 plus square root 5 equals square root 10. But I have to tell you, that is completely wrong. So what's the correct answer? Let's start. Look carefully. We actually have a hidden coefficient here. This is really 1 square root 5 plus 1 square root 5. Now, what is 1 plus 1? That's 2. So we get 2 square root 5. That's our result so far. But wait, that answer isn't in the options. So let's rewrite it. 2 square root 5 means 2 times square root 5. Now, how can we turn that 2 into square root 4? A simple trick. 2 times 2 equals 4. So we can write 2 as square root 4. Now we have square root 4 times square root 5. And that becomes square root 20. And there's your answer. But wait, there's another way to think about this. We could actually go backward from the options. Take square root 20 and break it down. I've explained this in another video about roots. You can check that out too. So, square root 20 equals square root of 4 times 5, which equals square root 4 times square root 5, which equals 2 square root 5. Same result. Personally, I prefer the first method. It's more direct. But you should know both, because in the next video on radicals, we're definitely going to use this. And by the way, if you don't want to miss that video, make sure to follow mathalgo. Now, one important takeaway. Square root a plus square root b is not equal to square root of a plus b. Square root a minus square root b is not equal to square root of a minus b. But square root a plus square root a equals 2 square root a. Now, here's a question for you. What is square root a minus square root a? Drop your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And make sure to check out the other videos on the page to keep challenging your mind. Hit that like button.